Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will do the part modeling of a tutorial number 113. As you can see that I have already modeled it with respect to this orthographic drawing, and you can see that our model is matching with respect to the isometric view, and I will show you from the scratch how you can do the same in FreeCAD. So let's start and start modeling. I will close this file and create a new file. You can also visit my website mechnexus.com, where I write articles and tutorials on FreeCAD. You can download my tutorial source file from here, tutorial source file page, and you can also support me by buying a cup of coffee on ko-fi.com. Your small support will help these channels to grow, and it will motivate me to create more awesome content on FreeCAD. I thanks to all my supporter, those who have supported me by buying a cup of coffee. So keep supporting, and it will help me to grow this channel, and it will motivate me to create more awesome and useful tutorials on FreeCAD. So let's come back to our tutorial. So here I have created a new file. First thing which I will do is to insert a body, and then we will press a space bar to on our origin plane, and we will select this top plane and click on the sketch, and we will select this origin and of the plane, and now we will create this bottom profile. So for this we will select a slot tool and create a slot, and we will resolve the conflict. We will delete it, and now we will use the symmetricity. Select this point and axis, and we will delete it, and this center to center distance is of 100 mm. So we will select the horizontal dimension and provide the value of 100 mm, and now we will select a vertical dimension and provide this 76, and now we will select these two line and make it a construction, and here we will draw the two circle, one at the top and other at the bottom, and we will make this center and this center symmetric. So we will use the symmetricity. Select this point and this axis, and here we will delete it, this conflict constraint, and we will select diameter and provide it 20 mm, and we will select this and this and this and made it equal, and distance between is of 90 mm, and now we will select line tool and draw the two vertical line, and select this and add a tangency. Select this and add a tangency. Same process we will do for bottom circle. We will create these two vertical line, select this and add a tangent. Select this and add a tangent, and now I will use the trim tool to trim it, and trim it, trim it and trim it. Now here we will also use the trim option. Select this and trim it and trim it. And now we will select all this and remove the construction. And here constraint has been gone, so we will select this and add a horizontal constraint. Select this and this and add a horizontal constraint. And here tangency has gone, so we will add a tangency. And here tangency has been gone, so our profile is fully constrained. And here you will get the message of a fully constrained, and it is a completely green. We will close it. We will select the sketch, click on extrude, and provide the extrusion of 15 mm and say OK. And now we will provide the fillet to 4 corners, 2 on the front side and 2 on the back side. So we will select the fillet and we will select this edge, press the control key and create a edge selection. So 2 edges we have selected, and select this edge. So if you are facing any difficulty in a selection, so zoom it, and here we will provide the fillet of 12 mm and click on OK. Now press 0 for isometric, and you can see that our 4 fillets has been created. And now we will create this boss here. So we will select this top face and click on the sketch, and here we will create a circle and select a diameter tool and provide it 55 mm, and we will create arc here by projection of these 2 edges, arc edges. So we will select this and this, so we can get here center points. And here we will create a circle, and this is of a diameter 24, and select this and made it equal. And now we will draw the tangents line. So we will create a line tool and select line and select this and add a tangent. Select this and add a tangent. Select line tool and select this and add a tangent. Select this and add a tangent. Now we will again select a line tool and create a line. Select this and add a tangency. Select this and add a tangency. Now again select a line tool and select this and add a tangency. Select this and add a tangency. Now we will use the trim tool to trim the all unnecessary geometry. Select this, zoom it, trim it, trim it, trim, trim, trim it, trim it, delete. Now we will use the again trim tool options, and we will trim it, and let's see what is the constraint. So we can see here there is a no any tangency, so we will select this and add a tangent. So here I will move the dimensions so that you can clearly see it. We have the fully constrained sketch. Now we will come out of it and create extrusion of 50. So select the sketch, click on extrude and add the here 50 mm, click on OK. And now we will create these two bars. So for this we will select this face and click on the sketch, and we will use the project geometry, and we will project it, and we will select this edge and this edge and this edge, and we will switch to the top view, and from here we will switch to the wireframe. We will delete it, and now here we will select the line tool, create a two line, and we will made it a vertical, and this one also vertical, and click on the project geometry and move to the top view and click on the trim it, and we will create a line here with respect to our projected edges, and here we will create a 1 3-point arc here and 1 3-point arc here. So select a 3-point arc and create an arc, and now we will also create a 3-point arc here. So now we will come out of the sketch, press V7 for the shaded view, and here we will click on extrude and extrude to the distance of 10 mm, click on OK. But here we can see that this is the in angular, not vertical. So we will go to our sketch and we will delete this two line, or we will press Ctrl Z and we will remove this vertical constraint, and here we will use this and add a tangency, and select this and add a tangency. So this is how this profile is, and best thing is that once we given the tangency here, this line automatically got extended. Click on close and go to the pad, and extrusion is of a 10 mm, but here we are seeing the two separate solid, and we will refine the shape and remove this line. So we will select the pad 2 features, and here is a refine is a false, set it true, click on OK. And now we will mirror this on the other side, but first let's create this rip. So we will select this face and click on the sketch, click on the project geometry and project it, and same way also project this edge, and here we will create a rectangle, and here we will provide the symmetricity. So we will use the symmetricity, select this point and this axis, and we will delete this over conflict constraint, select a vertical dimension and provide 8 mm, and here we will delete this line and delete this line, and we will use the trim tool to remove the unnecessary geometry, and because of a trim our dimension has gone, so no issue. So we will use a 3-point arc and create a equal arc, select a 3-point arc and create a arc. Now we will use the symmetricity, select this point and axis, and remove this conflict and select vertical dimension and select this point and provide the 8 mm. So here is our profile is fully constrained. We will press 0 for isometric, and we will go to the model tab. First we will exit and select the sketch and click on the extrude, and from here we will select the reverse, and from here we will select up to face and select this face, click on OK. And now we have a rib, and now we will remove the material. So we will select the face and click on the sketch. So here click on the project and we will project it, and here we will select a line tool, create a line and horizontal, then vertical, and close this profile, select this line and point and add coincidence relation, and here we will select this line and add a rough dimension of 50 and use the trim tool to trim it. It was having no coincidence, so we will select this and we will say merge. So we have a fully constrained sketch and we will close it, select the sketch and click on extrude cut, and from here we will say it through all, say OK. Now we will mirror this rib on the other side. So we will select our this pad 3 and pocket, and from here select the mirror. So you can see that pad and pocket is added, and here we will select the reference, and here first we will pad and we will select this pocket, add feature. So pocket is added. So order is important. So first is a pad and then pocket, and click on OK. And now we will create a cut at the bottom side. We can see here is a cut, and dimension we can see here it is a 55 by 110. So we will select this bottom face and click on the sketch, and we will create a rectangle, and we will use the symmetricity constraint, select this point and this origin point, and select this line and add a horizontal dimension of 110, and select vertical dimension of 55, and we will close it, select a sketch, click on extrude cut and give the value 3 mm. It is of a 3 mm cut. Here is a 3 mm, and click on OK. Now we will provide the fillet. So select the fillet tool, and here we will provide the fillet of 2 mm, and we will select this corners, select this corner. So once it is selected, it show in a pink color, and now we will select this corner, this corner, this corner, and this corner, this corner, this corner, and this last one, and click on OK. So you can see that 2 mm fillet is added. Now we press 0 for the isometric view, and here we will create circle of 40 mm diameter at the bottom. So we will select this bottom face, click on the sketch, select the circle tools, and create a circle, select diameter, and provide it 40 mm, click on close, and it is an extrusion of 27 mm, click on extrude, and provide it 27 mm, click on OK. And now here is a cut of diameter 20 and 40. So we will place our view to the isometric, and select this top face, and click on the sketch, select the circle, select a circle, create two circles. Inner one is of diameter 20, and here is of 40, and click on close. And here we will create a cut of 20 mm, so click on extrude cut, and here we will give the depth of 20 mm, click on OK. And now here we will create this profile and create a cut. So for this we will select this face, and click on the sketch, and here we will switch to the wireframe view, and click on the project geometry. We will project these two diameters, and we will select arc tool and create a 2 3-point arc, and select line tool, line, and line, select this and provide the horizontal, and select this, provide it a vertical. And now we will give the dimensions. So we will select a horizontal dimension, select this point is of 2.5, and select a vertical, select this point and this point, and add it 2.5. So our sketch is fully constrained. We will close it, press V7 for shaded view. You can see the all shortcut here. For flat line it is V7. And now we will select the sketch, and click on the extrude cut, and from here we will say it through all, click on OK. And now we will polar pattern it. So select the sketch, click on the polar pattern, and here provide the quantity 4. So as you can see that normal sketch axis, FreeCAD is so smart that it automatically selected this Z axis. So click on OK. And now we will select this face and create a diameter of 10 mm. So select the face and click on the sketch, and here we will create a circle and provide the diameter of 10 mm, click on close, select the sketch, click on extrude cut, and from here say it through all, say OK. Now we will mirror this feature on other side. So we will first identify the feature, which one is the feature. So this is the pad 002. If I go to the one step ahead, so this is the pad 002. So we will select this pad 002, click on the mirror, and from here we will select reference and select this mid plane, click on OK, and we will select this mirror, refine is false, set it true, and now we will create a hole of diet 10. So we will select this phase and click on the sketch. We will click on the project geometry. We will project this to arc and select a circle, create two circles, and this is of a diameter 10, so we will select diameter, and this is of a 10 mm. We will select this and made it equal. Now click on close, select the sketch, click on extrude cut, and from here say it true all, say OK. Now we will create these two holes. So for this we will select this face and click on the sketch, and we will click on the project geometry and project this to arc and create two circles, and this is of a diameter 12. Select diameter, provide it a 12 mm, and select this and made it equal. Click on close, select the sketch, click on extrude cut, and from here say it true all, say OK. And now we will create these 4 holes of a counter bore. So press 0 and select this face and click on the sketch, and from here we will switch to the wireframe, and we will create two circles, and we will use the symmetricity. Select this point and this axis, and select a vertical dimension and provide it 40, and select a horizontal dimension, select this and add 65, and this is of a diameter 10, so select diameter and provide the 10 mm, and select this and made it equal. Click on close, press V7 for shaded view, and here we will provide the counter bore holes. So select the sketch and click on the hole wizard, and here select none, and here is of diameter 10, and from here we will select a counter bore, give here value 20 with a 2 mm depth. So here drill is of 10 mm, and here in the dimension we can also set it to the true all, and diameter 20 for counter bore and 2 mm depth, and click on the OK. And now we will select this hole and go for mirror, and from here you can see that FreeCAD is so smart that it automatically took my axis. So I will say OK. Now if we see our drawing, so here is a revolve cut here, and here is a normal fillet of R2 of all edges. It is a common type of a fillet, So we will provide this fillet later, and we will create this revolve cut. So for this we will on our origin plane and select this exit plane and click on the sketch, and from here we will switch to the wireframe and on our of our origin plane. And now here we will click on project geometry and project its diameter, and now here we can see that diameter of 46. So first thing which we will do is to select line tool and click on project geometry, select line and create a triangular profile, and we will go to the sketch and remove this conflict, click on delete, and now here we will select horizontal dimension, select this point and this point, and add a value of 23 because it is a 46, and we will provide the angle. So we will create an angular constraint, select this and this one. So here this is the total given 120, so it is a 60, so it will be 180 minus 60, and we will close it and press V7 for shaded view, select the sketch and click here for the groove. So you can see that FreeCAD automatically took the axis, click on OK, and we will fit our drawing. Press 0 for isometric. So this is how we have completed our model, and we have successfully converted this orthographic drawing into the 3D model, and our model is matching with isometric view. And here is a fillet of R2 at a common locations if we see in a drawing. So you can provide a fillet to the all required places. If I provide the fillet, then video will be too lengthy. So this is all about this tutorial, and I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. If you have enjoyed it, then please like, subscribe and share my channel, and also support me on coffee.com. You can buy me a cup of coffee. Your small support will help this channel to grow, and it will motivate me to create more awesome content on FreeCAD. Link is given in a video description. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your valuable time.